The sports car manufacturer hosted a modest inauguration ceremony to celebrate its nameplate being hoisted above the main entrance of the McLaren Composites Technology Centre, MCTC. McLaren Automotive Chief Executive Officer Mike Flewitt was on hand to illuminate the sign for the first time. Inside the building, which is about 75,000 square feet in size, a new McLaren Senna hypercar performed donuts to christen the newly laid factory floor. See the first video of the new McLaren Senna. The shell of the building, which is located in the Advanced Manufacturing Park in Catcliffe, between Sheffield and Rotherham, is completed and the interior is being readied for the installation of the machines that will enable McLaren to build the one-piece carbon fiber MonoCell tubs that form the basis of its cars. Currently that task is subcontracted to a Salzburg-based company named Carbotech. Production of tubs will begin at the MCTC in 2019, although McLaren already has 40 employees based in South Yorkshire as it ramps up for the facility's full opening. Those employees are currently embedded within the University of Sheffield's Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre, AMRC, which is a partner in McLaren's new facility. Using the university's facilities, McLaren's team is already making pre-production versions of the MonoCell to build up experience of the build processes, which are said to embrace some new techniques and more automation. Additionally, McLaren apprentices who will work in the new facility are being trained.